yes. So I come back with another one. I come back with another episode. So I'm gonna show you like a track we made, how I process the vocals, show you the breakdown of the song. Yeah, just like stuff like that. I hope you subscribed. I hope you like the video so far. Comment on what you want to see next. If you want me to create another sample pack. Oh, and I just dropped the sample pack, bro. Make sure you cop it. 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 I'm gonna post it in the description. Go check it out. Go check it out. Go check it out. So let's just get into the video. So what I did first. Okay, so this track is me, Undisputed Soul, Offensive Vocals, DTMO, and Flex 701. So what we did here, it was really basic. Like, it's not a lot of things going on. You know, obviously we gotta start with the percussion, like the shakers, the percussion's part of the drive of the song. You know, simple. Shakers, just that simple. You just gotta use the shakers. You know what I mean? And also this loop, in boots. You tend to love this. It has a, you know, I don't know what to explain the motion, but it has this feel to it. So yeah, we took those shakers and these. You see? You fat. Get boots, one get boots. Obviously the FX. Yeah, the FX. Then we did a few like percussions. Nothing crazy. Just a few percussions. Another shaker. Yes. Simple. Let me play all of them together. Just simple vibes. Simple. Then we added a bass. Simple bass. Oh, I forgot to show you this one. But it's simple things. He didn't do like nothing major. It's just simple things. Just up. On then just a log drum to add to the feel. On Wait, did I turn off the vocals? Yep, that's about it. Then this is like your standard pad. It's your standard pad, just the normal pad. Nothing really major here. Nothing really major, just a standard pad. Hey, the vocal wapapa. Just a simple pad. What else? Then we added like more percussions. Yes. Bazia, ukushisa. Izulu leliyana. Thunderstorm. I went with that song. But yeah, just simple things. This is more of like you use that as a lead. Simple. Simple. On top. Let me edit this. It's just like multi-layered lead to the other lead, you know. It just combines it and makes it into like perfection. Hold. Like it just drives it, like makes it more interesting, if I can say. Yeah, but so let's move on. Then I added more hats, like yeah, it's more hats. These are hats. Simple. Lo. Bara manje bakushisa. Izulu liyana. Thunderstorm. Oh, why you went that so? Thunderstorm. But you get me. Yeah, it's simple, pretty basic things. Yeah, then we did like pretty basic things. It's not a whole lot. I'm sorry. Then more leads. Yes, on Rane, just really simple ideas, just makes it whole. But I haven't finished this song. I just thought of giving you like the source, just a snare, no. And that's about it on this one song. I'm not done yet with the song because I need to complete the song. But you can just hear that the song it doesn't have a lot, but you can just hear the dynamics, everything just gels together. And considering like its boots, you know, Boots has that more. But it needs a solo and a basic chord. But if you want me to do another video like finishing this beat, you just comment down below if you want to see more of that. But yeah, let me give you a taste of the vocals. But I'm gonna play just a simple small part. It's just so what I did. It's not really much, you know. Hear how the raw vocal sounds. I'm a So you can just look at the chain, or just copy it. It's an auto tune, a reverb, EQ, just like different EQs, just cutting the dynamics just how you want them, just different EQing. Then the compression, I used it as a compression, but more of the dynamics than just the delay. Nothing special.
Amadenza zokali phatha phathi yaqalo sabibi somkhatha sayivimba injiva namhlanje ayi wena ngekulunge nomunyeza ngesikele makuvumi cela abanye mhlambe bona bazuvule abafana nawe dala sibaxolela amadenza zokali phatha phathi yaqalo ibi somkhatha sayivimba injiva namhlanje ayi wena ngekulunge nomunyeza ngesikele makuvumi cela abanye mhlambe bona bazuvule abafana nawe dala sibaxolela anjanja skale ekibale malas maye unandi kufoni male leti kati swebeni anjanja skale amadenza zokali phatha phathi yaqalo sabibi somkhatha sayivimba injiva namhlanje ayi wena ngekulunge nomunyeza ngesikele makuvumi cela abanye mhlambe bona bazuvule abafana nawe dala sibaxolela amadenza zokali phatha phathi yaqalo sabibi somkhatha sayivimba injiva namhlanje ayi wena ngekulunge nomunyeza ngesikele makuvumi cela abanye mhlambe bona bazuvule abafana nawe dala sibaxolela anjanja skale ekibale malas maye unandi kufoni male leti kati swebeni anjanja skale ekibale malas.
Oh, I forgot to show you like something. You just layer the log drums.
Amadenza zokali phatha leti kati swebeni amakawa amanoba emoto kabanuswa sala.
And one sauce trick I have to give you is put a soft clipper on your master. Put 2. You know what you do? Let me show you. Let me delete them and put them back. I'll show you the difference. Like, let's play the difference here. Can you see that? It's clipping. It's passing 0 here on the master. So we don't want that. We don't want that. You just gotta put a soft clipper. I like to put 2. You can put 1, but I like to put 2. The first one, threshold all the way. A little post. This one, threshold all the way. You leave the post. That's what I like to do. That's my preference. I don't know if it's right or it's wrong. I don't know, dog. It's just my way of doing it. It tends to work out for me, I know. I don't know if like it'll work out for you, but that's my. It's best to try it, It's best to try it. You can hear the difference. It's just more. And can you watch the what do you call this? The panels here that's showing the sound waves. Yeah, it's not clipping 0 anymore, It's not clipping 0 anymore. Got it bounces off 0. But if you're gonna mix and do, you gotta leave a headroom, all of that. If you watched a lot of tutorials, you gotta leave some headroom. But now it's just for like maybe posting on like the gram, TikToks, trying to promote your music. I highly suggest you do this for it to not like seem low quality or like for it to be like. And you can use this on piano, you can use this on hip hop, anything that you prefer. You can really hear the difference. But thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe for more exclusive content coming soon. You know, I'm gonna upload, like, try to upload weekly uploads, try to make more reels, so you'll just see the vibes. Just make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. You know, don't forget to check out my latest sample pack. Yeah. I'll have the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Bon Tepe my dog. So it's